Hi everyone, welcome to Financify. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to verify your Paybis account on mobile. Let's get started. First, launch the Paybis app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, log into your Paybis account. After logging in, tap on the menu icon, which is 3 lines in the bottom right corner of the screen. Select Verification from the drop-down menu. Tap on the Start Verification button. You will be asked to choose your country. Select your country from the list. Choose the type of ID you want to upload. For example, passport, national ID, or driver's license. Take a clear photo of the front and back of your ID. Ensure the image is well lit and readable. Next, take a selfie by following the on-screen instructions. Make sure your face is clearly visible and matches your ID. Review your details and ensure everything is correct. Once confirmed, tap Submit. Your verification process may take a few minutes or up to 24 hours. You will be notified via email once your account is verified. And that's it. You have successfully verified your Paybis account on mobile. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Financify for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.